Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 30 Minutes Missions Auto Flight Type Navy. Alright, here is the box itself. Now this is my last kit I'm going to get in 2019, and we'll see how it goes when 2020 comes, so by the time I upload it's probably New Year's already, so Happy New Year to you guys. Yeah, it's New Year's Eve as of this recording, so I'm kind of stay a little bit late and just to get just to count down the thing where I live. Yeah, so yeah, so since the store I usually go to has its last day of having the Christmas sale thing, I thought I might as well just get this kit just for the heck of it. I already have 3 autos and 2 Portanovas. I still think this kit looks pretty cool, so I thought I'll try this out and see how it goes. So I feel an auto force is not surprising, but it is interesting to see like different variations of the auto. So yeah, so unboxing. So yep, this auto is basically a normal auto with in navy colors with like some parts that are new in this kit, some parts that are from the option sets. So combine one, you get this thing. So I didn't get a lot of options for the auto, so I thought, I'll just get instead. Really, instead of buying like every individual auto, just get separating out some parts on there. This looks better. So it's kind of cheaper as well. So good for me. On the side here, we have the assembly, how assembly works. You get new legs, a new backpack, and a new headpiece. So it's pretty interesting. The stuff you can do basically the same as you see in an auto, basically. The rifle, the cannon rifle thing, you can use it as a hand weapon or it's overslung on the backpack. And if you want, you can actually make a normal Navy auto if you want to. This has a lot of like options, so you can choose however you want to display your auto. Let's go to basics quickly. Yeah, and on the side here we have the like more customization options of the auto, but I really like this the Comfy Auto. Probably build it like a couple days from now. And it's not mention the price, but it's 1,800 yen if I remember correctly. So it's a little bit more expensive than a normal 30 minutes mission kit. So you'll see. So let's open the box. It's inside. Great. I've not seen what's inside yet. Oh, that's no. Okay, so it's in a box. First pack we have the runners for the fight pack and the rifle, or cannon, how you put it that way. Really interesting. You get two of these. This is my bagged. Yeah. So you got the booster parts. Basically, this sold separately on its own. Like you can get this separately. Well, I think you also get it's the same. I think it's the same for this one, I guess. But you can get this separately if you want. So it is a booster pack. The frame, which is all the joints, and then the back front we have the marking stickers, and you get some parts for the flight pack. In the last pack we have the multicolored A plate, which is all the normal auto parts. And the back we have polycaps, the alternate ones, and you get more parts for the flight pack. Some instructions if you're new to plastic models, and you get the, if I can get it out, you get the manual. A little bit more, it's a little bigger and thicker than usual, so it's pretty interesting. You get the story about the first mission, the backstory of the mission models. Yeah. So, yep. Oh, it's not the usual full color manual for like a normal mission. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, basically, it's a little bit different. Build wise, it's generally the same. So you get like different stuff to do here and there. But yeah, it's enough. I will build this something later and get back to you guys the customization options. So yeah, that's an unboxing of the 30 minutes mission auto flight type. I will get this building hopefully, because this is probably my first build of 2020. So we'll see how it goes, and I will get you guys better review once I got this building, if I have time, it is. So yeah, so guys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing. Happy New Year to everyone, all of you, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.